Good afternoon, everyone. We are here in Golden Heaven to celebrate the birthday of Ken Kervy Domingo and the belated birthday celebration of Avon Kate C. Domingo. Okay, join us. Look at, unsa imong ka istorya karon sa birthday ni Ken?
Sad, pero south naman nga. Ito na mag-yun siya dito sa ibabaw ba ni Joshua.
Okay, happy birthday.
Happy lang yapon.
Je! Happy birthday mo ba, Robbie? Ken, happy birthday. Ken, happy birthday, Ken. Dan, sa imo yung istorya dyan. Dire. Uy, nagkaon pa man. Happy birthday. Busy man. More, ikaw more. Busy. To sila, oh. Nagpalayo si Kuan, ang mga boys. All for today. Thank you for watching.